but I just didn't. I got sick. I just didn't expect my day to go like it did yesterday. Yeah, inside the thing them. Hey y'all, it's me. I'm back with another video. This is going to be the biggest video or the most emotional video that I've ever made. The most of me unraveled. This is just me exposed to you guys because I am leaving the United States and I'm going to Spain for study abroad. I am so nervous and I'm so excited at the same time because this is a new start into another part of my life. I feel like this is going to be a milestone for me. So if you are willing to see me vlog this process, just let me explore and you can follow along. All right. I want to go ahead and show you guys what I've packed. I have my bags ready. Hold on. I think you can see. My bags are ready almost. This one isn't. But that's my suitcase and that's my carry-on. And then I have a backpack. I'm not sure where it is. Oh, it's right here. I have a backpack and I'm going to be out of here in less than 3 days. So I'm so nervous. But I wanted to film this process so that you guys could kind of see what it's like to go out of the country when you've never been out of the country before. So if you're willing to see how this vlog is going to go, just keep watching.
Yeah, let's
Please use caution when entering and exiting.
So,
how do I?
What time is it?
You want me to record now? Oh, you're recording now?
It's recording yet.
Okay.
It's 12:16. I'm supposed to leave at 3:30, but I'm waiting for people. About to be in Spain, y'all. Passport ready. Come on, say hey to Kim. Hi. Okay, Chess, you say it too. Let me see.
Yeah, that's so funny.
Yeah. I'm like not ready for the
Aproximadamente 1 hora y 15 minutos antes de nuestra llegada en Madrid, estaremos siguiendo. Gracias y disfruten de su vuelo.
Hey, y'all. It's been a struggle. Alright, so I'm just waking up and it's, where's my phone? 12 o'clock. And it's 6 a.m. in America right now. I'm so tired. I just had breakfast. I have to figure out when I'm gonna go to the city with my group. So I'm figuring that out right now. So yeah, sorry, I'm sidetracked. But yeah, so you guys are gonna see a little bit more. But I just didn't, I got sick. I just didn't expect my day to go like it did yesterday. So y'all just stay tuned because, oh, where I am now, this is my bedroom. This is my red room. This is my host mom's house. And she made me breakfast. She made me dinner last night. Apparently here, lunch is the biggest meal of the day. So I haven't had a gigantic meal, but I've been full off of what she's given me. So I'm hoping to lose a little weight, you know, get in shape a little bit. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just answer my friends, because these are the people I go to school with, and see what they're about to do, and then I'll get back to you guys. So I'm getting ready right now. My host mom wants to go to show me around a little bit, so I'm about to get dressed. And I want to give y'all just a little bit of background. I have to take the bus to and from school. I can walk sometimes, but I don't know where to go, so she's going to teach me all that and show me a little bit around so I can go by myself eventually. And yeah, so I'm just getting dressed, and I'm going to put on I can't show you right now, but I'm going to put on a trench coat, black pants, black top, which is this top. It's a turtleneck because it's really cold outside, and some nice little boots. So you guys are gonna see where I'm at. I just wanted to give you a little intro, but yeah, stay tuned. All right, so I am dressed and ready to go. It's my little fit. crazy thing is, y'all, it's so hard because people that I just met, sorry, it's cold outside, I just came back. The people that I'm talking to, like my group, they speak English, right? And we're not used to speaking Spanish, but I'm speaking Spanish constantly to my host mom. So it's like I want to text to people in Spanish, and I keep remembering, okay, I can't do that because they don't know Spanish. Like, my mind is going crazy right now. But I love the transition so much. My host, I'm speaking low because my host mom's in the other room. I think she's doing something. But she's about to cook dinner too, so I look forward to that. I'm about to go out with my friend James. You guys are gonna see him in a second, but just stay tuned.
Whew. This walk is something serious, y'all. Me and James, you want to say it in Spanish?
Sir. Hola, hola. Estamos caminar a la ciudad de Santander, ¿no?
Sí, cerca de la playa y aquí está, vamos a dar un paseo.
La ciudad está qué bonita, ¿no?
Sí.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
And just like that, I'm back home. My voice is a little crazy because it was really cold, but I'm back. So catch me on the next vlog in Spain. Deuces.